Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Try English. I'm Candice.
And I'm Julian. Today's 使える英語 is cooking.
Smells good. What are you baking?
I'm baking cookies. Let's use other phrases. I'm grilling fish. I'm boiling pasta. I'm steaming vegetables.
Vocabulary list. Smells. Good. I'm. I am. The next stop is Rahim's Quiz Corner. I take many lessons. Which day do I take each lesson?
Swimming. Wednesday. Koto. Monday. Abacus. Sunday. English. Thursday. Japanese calligraphy. Friday. That's all for today. See you next time.